Madisgrasya ang Smart Gilas Pilipinas, masusungkit na natin after 10 basketball minutes ang ikatlong third place finish natin dito sa William Jones Cup. Magandang gabi ulit, mag-umarjan kasama si Coach Ronnie Magsanok. Noong 2005 at 2007, nasungkit natin ang third. Now we are just 10 minutes away.
So far so good in the first 30 minutes of action para dito sa Smart Gilas. Tama yan, Magod. Last year nagtapos tayo sa pang-apat na pwesto behind eventual champion Iran and second placer Lebanon at third place squad ako pala ng Japan. Itong Chinese Taipei ay nagnanais din na mag-improve yung kanilang fifth place finish na nakuha sa 2010 Jones Cup edition. Samantalang para sa atin nga, hindi tayo nakapasok sa finals. Pero at least to be able to get the third spot is still enough para sa ating mga kababayan at dito sa mga sumusuporta sa Philippine basketball.
Last year po, round robin lang yung naging format dito.
Yun ang talagang format dito. Alam mo kung yun ang format, automatic nasa second spot tayo nagtapos behind the 6-1 win-loss record of South Korea.
Silver na agad tayo, no? Pero dahil nga nag-pull out ng huli na ang lahat etong South Africa, naging wawalo team, nagkaroon tayo ng playoffs.
So dalawang third place finishes nagkameron itong si Coach Chot Reyes in 2005 and in 2007 para dito sa kupunan ng national squad ng Pilipinas bago nag-take over si Coach Raiko Toroman in the year 2009.
62-49, it is Gilas by 13. At parehong koponan nagmintis na on their opening drives dito sa fourth and final quarter. Chinese Taipei on the attack. They swing it to the right side. Chung may tangan ng bola, gets it over to their leading scorer. Three-pointer on the way. Does not work. At doon sa bakbakan sa rebound, may nakitang foul kay Chien.
Well, in between ni Coach Chot Reyes at ni current Coach Raiko Toroman. Si Coach Chien ang humawak ng Team Pilipinas noong 2008 hanggang early part of 2009. As we take a look at this tough defending Gilas team, continuing to contest and defend those jumpers. Yan ang primerong dahilan kung bakit abante pa rin tayo rito ng 13 puntos.
Ontiveros over the Baracael, top of the key. Nahanap ng papasan, Chris Chu pops out. Naantay niyang gumalaw muna ang kanyang mga kakampi. Chu with 6 to work with. Gets it down low, Douthit attacking, dalawa sumalubong. Pasok yung tira, may kasama pang foul.
We've seen in the last few games that itong si Chris Chu talaga ang number one feeder nitong si Marcus Douthit. Chris Chu understands that Marcus Douthit, when he touches that ball underneath, is definitely a dominant force, especially without a 7-footer in front of him, without a 6'10 guy in front of him. At si Marcus Douthit na nalimitahan sa 16 points last night. Definitely better scoring day to day. Kung kaya't yung 59 points natin natalaan kagabi, lalampasan natin. We now have a total of 65. Mahaba pa ang oras. 28 and 11, no?
Oo. Matamis na 16 na ang abante ng Smart Gilas Pilipinas.
Bumomba rin si Marcus Douthit ang 32 points kontra sa Japan. At ito nga, 28 points laban dito sa Chinese Taipei for the right to finish in the third spot dito sa ating 33rd edition ng Jones Cup.
Chung Shen-Chang looking to spin against Douthit is fouled at pagpapahingayin muna dito si Marcus Douthit. Asi Taulava back on the floor. Tignan natin kung masustain naman ngayon ng Gilas ang kanilang 16-point lead.
Well, kanina itong naging signal for Chinese Taipei para bumira ng isang magandang run. And eventually, doon sa pagkapahinga ni Marcus Douthit, nakain nila yung kalamangan natin. In fact, the scores to the 34-31.
From 12 points down, nakabalik to within 3 points etong Chinese Taipei.
Pero ngayon, masyado ng maraming magandang nilalaro dito para sa Smart Gilas. Nandyan si Don Ontiveros sa tumutulong, si Zio Lassiter, and even si Baracael para dito sa mga kasama nitong si Marcus Douthit.
Chu magtatawid ng bola at magmamando para dito sa Gilas Pilipinas. Ayan yung dalawang high pick. Pupunta sila kay Baracael. Asi sa ilalim. Kicks it out. Lassiter puts it on the floor. Down the gut of the defense. Marshall Lassiter delivers.
Creating a shot against 3 defenders. 5 in the quarter para dito sa kupunan ng Pilipinas. Still scoreless ang Chinese Taipei.
At gano'n lang. 18 na ang abante ng Gilas Pilipinas. 12 puntos para kay Lassiter. Chinese Taipei almost losing that leather. Last touch lang. Etong si Chris Chu doon.
Stance natin sa defensive end, lahat nakatapak sa 3-point line, walang binibigay na open shots, iika-ika, but still Tingnan natin kung si Baroka na ang pumasok. Yes, Baroka coming in for Chris Q.
At itong Gilas, realizing na down 18 points ang Chinese Taipei, they will have to start turning to that 3-point shot soon dahil paubos na nga ang oras dito with just 7:40 remaining in this battle for third. Down the lane with a miss. Taulava with a rebound, gets it over to Baroka. Gilas on the run, looking to stretch this lead to 20. Lassiter down low to Taulava, who kicks it back out. Dondon para Blackjack. Mintis. Rebound. Aussie dives for it against two white shirts. Japet loses it though. Aussie na naman. Tinabik papunta kay Lassiter.
That's a hot potato out there.
38 na ba talaga si Aussie? Kung dumive dito, grabe. Mintis nga lang ng tutukan. Here comes Chinese Taipei.
Ano yung mga kailangan baskets na ma-convert ni Asi. Although pagdating sa depensa, sa hustle effort, talagang nandun pa rin naman on the high side itong si Asi.
And look at the veteran in Dondon Ontiveros looking to calm things down. Hindi pala, nilinlang lang yung depensa. 20 na po ang abante ng Pilipinas.
Freezing the defense and then hitting that perimeter jumper. And here in the fourth quarter, Team Pilipinas 7-0 blast. Biggest hit of the game for Smart Gilas.
Iba ang klase ang pinakikita dito. Napuwersa tuloy tumimeout ang Chinese Taipei. Babalik tayo sa Sinshuang Stadium sa New Taipei City kung saan nakapagbukas na ng 20 puntos na kalamangan ang Gilas Pilipinas kontra sa ating mga host dito sa Chinese Taipei. At ayan, yung mga Chinese Taipei faithful nakasalampak na sa kanilang mga silya dahil nga naman tignan mo i-score 69-49.
At nakakatuwa rin talaga ang pinapakitang sipag nitong Team Pilipinas. Kagabi sumadsad tayo laban sa Iran 78-59. Pwede tayong nagmukmok dito ngayon habang katapat natin ang Taipei, pero we're giving it our all. Okay, at abante tayo ng 20 laban dito sa host country na Taipei.
And the defense still holding up, 4 to shoot. Chinese Taipei comes up with an air ball at dun sa rebound play merong foul. Lalo pang nai-inspire itong Gilas, hindi nagre-relax at this point of the game.
And I'm sure that in the last 2.5 years, yung mga manlalarong matagal na kay Coach Raiko Toroman, I'm sure na na-imbibe na nila, mas naiintindihan na nila na ganitong klaseng effort ang kailangan mo madala day in, day out if you want to be an elite team sa international level.
Plus 16 tayo sa rebounding battle so far.
Ngayon, second chance scoring, dagdag mo pa ron. At ang mabigat dyan yung kombinasyon ng magandang at mautak na game plan at masipag na depensa.
Japet against the shot clock, forced to take that one, will miss. Chinese Taipei looking to run, and they gotta go quick. They gotta string some baskets together. Not starting with that miss. Pero Chen keeps it alive para dito sa Chinese Taipei. Wide open for the three. Bang! This time around.
At base sa ating mga napanood dito sa buong linggo sa Jones Cup, the only way that a team which is behind by this much can make a comeback is pag tumama from the 3-point area.
Pero yun ang delikado dito sa nakita natin kagabing fourth quarter ng Chinese Taipei all the way to overtime. They are more than capable of hitting that three.
Well, 5:28 remaining. Wala si Marcos Dautit sa loob. Let's see how well we defend the 3-point line. But Dondon Ontiveros, once again, very good second half showing for Dondon.
Oo, binawi niya kagad yung small threat of the 3-point shot ng Chinese Taipei.
And that's the reason why he was called to duty here for the national team. Yung outside snipers talaga, kakailanganin mo pagdating dito sa ganitong klaseng competition.
Long shots, long rebounds, pero Baroka with a steal, gets it over to Lassiter. Marshall looking to lob to Japet for the jam!
5 straight points, a 3-point basket, and a highlight play.
Ang problema, bumadibang pa si Lassiter doon sa kabilang dulo. Naiwan tuloy yung pass break doon.
Give na yon.
Okay na.
Give na yun. Grabe nilaro dito ng Smart Gilas. Back to its high scoring rate. Sabi natin kanina, 70 points and below. Talo. Ito 74 na, 4:35 left. And tough defense to boot. 54 lamang para sa Taipei.
Aussie with a touch pass down low. Lassiter delivers.
Last night, only 4 total assists in 40 minutes.
Iba talaga yung size lang kagabi ng Iran. Hindi tayo makaroon ng kumpiyansang gumawa ng mga ganitong play.
Alala mo, bago nakita ko talaga yung one-on-one defense ng Iran kagabi. Napakahirap basagin.
Didilim yung paningin mo
Yes,
no?
and hindi ka makatira. Nakakahawa ka ng bola, hindi ka makatira hanggat sa maumusan ka ng oras. Hindi ka makapenetrate. Nandun si Haddadi, nandun si Cardust.
Ikaw, Coach Ronnie, nakalaro mo yung mga ganyang kalalaking mama nung panahon mo. Iba lang talaga yung nagiging perception mo, yung point of view mo, lumiliit.
Ang tawag namin dyan, pag nasa loob ka, blackout. Wala kang makita talaga. Kaya importante talaga meron tumatama from the outside. Meron kang Alan Kaidik sa labas. Meron kang Patrimonio sa loob. Meron kang Benji Paras.
Siguro dapat humingi sila ng tips kay Miko Halili. Hindi lang
Pwede.
sa basketball lumilit ang point of view niyan eh.
Basic and fundamental ang kailangan sa international level. Pero yung hahanapin mong skills, sana nasa isang player. Good defender, good shooter, shoot, pasok ka. Pero ang hirap kasi minsan, good shooter, not a good defender. Hahanap ka pa ng isang defender.
You need the balance,
Yes.
ano?
So, ibig sabihin, dadami yung pagpipilian mo. Where in fact, 12 lamang ang nasa roster mo na pwedeng ilaro. So, yung dimension sa isang manlalaro, talagang marami yung pangailangang hinahanap.
76-56. Gilas Pilipinas looking good and bagging third place here. Pero hindi pa rin sumusuko ang Chinese Taipei dito.
Well, mabuti, malaki ang ating cushion. Dahil
Kasi
ang
ngayon
Pilipinas,
tumatama,
yes,
ano?
meron ng 24, like that 14 points dito sa final quarter, samantalang ang Taipei, even with those 2 3-point baskets, 10 puntos pa lamang ang nagagawa dito sa fourth quarter.
Aussie down low once again, and Lassiter and Aussie Taulava are playing beautiful basketball together.
Once again, points coming on the inside and another extra pass. Countered with a 3-point basket by Taipei.
At nagagalit na si Coach Raiko sa dami ng sunod-sunod na 3-pointer dito ng Chinese Taipei.
Mabuti na sa bandang huli na. Imagine mo kung tumama yan ng third quarter.
Baroka, gusto makabawi agad-agad. Punta ulit kay Taulava. Cut ulit si Lassiter sa ilalim. Pero this time, Taulava attacks. Will have to earn his 2 points from the line.
Aussie Taulava has given Marcus Doughtit a very long rest dito sa fourth, and we have seldom seen that in the entire Jones Cup.
As we take a look at these slow-mo highlights brought to you by Motolite Pangmatagalan. Marakael, ibinalik na para dito kay Japet Aguilar.
Pwede mo sabihin ito yung isang parang coming out tournament for Japet Aguilar. And fair is fair. Ito ang pinakamagandang nakita kong entire stretch ng competition for Japet. Defending well, scoring well, at pati yung attitude niya napakaganda.
Much to the delight of Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, na bumiyahe sa Xinchuang Stadium para suportahan ng Gilas.
It's always nice to close out a tournament on a winning note. At minsan nga, sabi nga nila, mabuti pang mag-third kaysa mag-second. Dahil yung third, tatapusin mo yung tournament ng nananalo. Yung second, galing ka sa talo.
At saka Coach Ronnie, ito yung momentum building into, sabi
Kailangan
mga
natin yan,
31 days from now,
Kailangan
mag-uumpisa
talaga natin
na
yan.
yung FIBA Asia. Kaya in 31 days, kung maglalaro pa sila ng maliliit na pocket tournament, ito na yung pinakamalaki before the biggest stage.
Ayaw mo nang bigyan ng agam-agam yung coaching staff. Ayaw mo nang bigyan ng alinlangan na perhaps they don't have the right personnel. Instead, I just want to focus on the little things, the basic things. Perhaps yung scouting reports, mas masusing pag-aralan, yung execution ng patterns. But Aussie Taulava definitely playing much better in the second half for Smart Gilas.
Slow-mo highlights brought to you by Motolite Pangmatagalan. Asi with a top ring finish. Nung isang araw, 2 dakdak. Ngayon naman, top ring.
Alam mo, napakaraming homework na kailangan gawin ng coaching staff dito. Hindi magiging madali. This is the culmination of the 3-year program para sa kanila. Of course, nabalitaan natin na mag-e-extend na yan. But definitely, they want to compete on a high note dun sa parating na FIBA Asia Championships sa China.
So with just under 2 minutes remaining in this battle for third, Gilas Pilipinas abante ng 20, 82-62. Napuwersa na naman tumawag ng timeout etong Chinese Taipei. Naaamoy na, nalalasahan na at mahahawakan na. Ilang saglit na lamang, a minute and 58 remaining bago makuha ng Team Pilipinas ang ating ikatlong third place finish dito sa Jones Cup.
And we will improve our fourth place finish last year dahil tayo ay behind Japan last year in the third spot. Pero ito ngayon, for the third time, magtatapos tayo sa pangatlong pwesto at you have to give it to the Smart Gilas unit na talaga namang tinrabaho, pinagtiyagaan, dinipensan, and ngayon they are a very cohesive unit. At of course, Marcus Doughtit once again playing the starring role for Team Pilipinas. Subalit maganda rin ang support na pinakita ni Baroka, Barakael, of course Dondon Ontiveros, even Aussie Taulava and Japet Aguilar.
82-62, 1 minuto and 58 seconds remaining in this basketball game. Chinese Taipei hoping against hope dito sa kanilang home floor na Sinshuang Stadium. Lee gets it over. They are looking for that 3-point shot. 12 segundos sa kanilang shot clock. Step back jumper. Yes, sir.
Pang 15 puntos pa lamang sa Taipei here in the fourth quarter kumpara sa 20 for Team Pilipinas. And we have outscored Chinese Taipei in every quarter dito sa laban na to. Kung kaya't namumuro na tayo after dropping that game against Iran last night.
At merong unsportsmanlike foul na naman dito ang itatawag as Chinese Taipei look to break out on the run.
Pero napatotoo yung trend, na every time we score over 80, we are poised to win. And in the losses that we've tasted, we scored 72 against Jordan, 76, 70 against Korea, 78, and only 59, our tournament low against the 78 of Iran last night.
Chen gets that first one to rattle home. At di pa sumusuko, pati yung fans na itong Chinese Taipei, nagtatasal pa rin dito.
Ganyan talaga sila dito sa Taipei. Ganyan kabigat ang suporta nitong mga followers nila sa kanilang national team.
Hinahanap nga nila, milagro. At ito, it may start here. 2 shots pumasok, ball possession, nasa kanila pa. Down by 16 points. 82-66. They go down low. Beautiful feed. Nahuli na si Taula ba dun?
Taipei continuing to play hard even if they're down by as much as 14.
At ito, pinahirapan pa nga ang Gilas Pilipinas. Mark Barroca will now try and waste away the time. Ibang klase rin ang pagmamando ngayon ni Mark Barroca right from the opening tip. Hanggang dito sa dulo, kontrolado niya pace para sa Gilas. Barroca with 3 to shoot for the 3-pointer. No good. Asi could not hang on to it. Nasa Chinese Taipei ang bola. Down by 14 points. They go for the quick 2. 12 na lamang ang abante ng Gilas Pilipinas.
Hindi na 20 mahigit yan. And now Taipei with a final minute blitz to trim the Philippines advantage, only 12, pero
give up na rin sila. Hindi na namimigay ng foul dito.
Hindi na nga naibalik dito si Marcus Dautit.
They just look to make it respectable, looking for one more stop. Chu, bullet pass papunta sana kay Ababu. Stepped out of bounds.
Only the third time that we've seen Dylan Ababu play for Gilas here in the Jones Cup.
A former UAAP MVP, playing a role here para sa ating national team.
Former Growling Tiger. Naging part siya ng championship run ni Coach Pido Harencio for UST.
Chu with 3 to shoot. Takes the long one, doesn't go. Taipei still going for that 3-point shot. At sa rebound play, meron pang foul.
I think they found their bearings too late, talking about Chinese Taipei from the long court. On the other hand, para sa Team Pilipinas, maganda yung pagdomina ni Marcus Dautit at eventually tumama yung mga shooters natin. Ontiveros, Lassiter, key baskets from the outside. At yung shot selection natin, napakautak.
Pero laking bagay nung naging puhunan natin in the third, dahil yung late here in the fourth, grabe yung naging
Bumomba
shooting.
rin sila,
Torrid yung shooting ng Taiwan dito.
Pero mabigat yung lamang ka na ng 20 points talaga. And they went to the court of last resort. Yes, they made some baskets from the three. But eventually, ano na yun parang loose defense na tayo noong bandang ganung tema na ng laro. But definitely the Philippines coming back strongly after dropping that fight for a chance to land in the finals last night against Iran. A good show of fine character for Team Pilipinas, and I'm sure that Coach Raiko Turaman and the rest of our countrymen are very happy with the effort of our national team.
So it is now official. Final score 82 para sa Smart Gilas Pilipinas, 72 para sa Chinese Taipei. At ang Team Pilipinas nakuha na po ang third place dito sa 33rd edition ng inyong William Jones Cup at the expense of the hosts.
Taipei may have outscored us in the fourth quarter, but the outcome was already beyond doubt. Dautit once again playing the starting role for Team Pilipinas. At there will be a lot of reviews, a lot of planning once again for our national team as we look forward to the 26th FIBA Asia Championships in China.
So this is a nice bounce back para sa Gilas Pilipinas after dropping last night's game in the semifinals kontra Iran. This should give us that much needed momentum dahil in 31 days tuloy na yung bakbakan do sa FIBA Asia. Yun talaga ang inahabol natin dito.
At katulad nung placard ng ating mga kababayan, go, go, go for Smart Gilas. Hindi lang dito sa Jones Cup na kung saan tayo nagtapos sa pangatlong pagkakataon at third spot, but more importantly sa parating na FIBA Asia Championships come September 15.
Napakaganda naman ang reception na binigay dito ng mga taga-Chinese Taipei at syempre, lalong-lalo na ng mga Filipino OFW natin at yung mga dumayo dyan sa Xinchuang Stadium. It is a big 10-point win by Smart Gilas Pilipinas. Third place tayo, better than last year. At yun yung maganda doon, may progress tayong nakikita dito.
At meron tayong mga ilang adjustments na nagawa and we were able to do that in barely 24 hours. Credit goes to the staff, of course, of Coach Raiko. And of course, sa mga manlalaro who never gave up and fought really hard to bag that third spot.
Coming up next, finals naman. South Korea will take on the two-time defending champions in Iran. Tutok lang kayo, live na live pa rin namin ihatid yan dito lang sa Active on IBC.